Hi, I am Ilkhadari Mustafa, a principal bridge designer in Morocco Public Works Ministry. I am also in charge of course of bridge design in Mini Civil Engineering School in Morocco. This course is about influence lines and influence function, theoretical aspects and practical examples. This course is intended to bridge designer and bridge engineer and civil engineer and student in civil engineering. Why we should learn influence function and influence lines? If we take a structure, for example a bridge, it is subjected to two types of loads. We found the first type is the static loads. Then second loads are the moving loads. Static loads have a unique position on the structure, so their effect have a unique value. We mean by effect a bending moment, a shear forces, a displacement, a rotation, and so on. For moving loads, their position varies along the structure, so the effect vary also according to this position. So, in order to design the structure in the most unfavorable situation, the engineer who is responsible for the justification of internal and external stability of a structure must determine the position of the vehicle that gives the maximum or the unfavorable value of the effect. This effect can be the maximum. It's the case, for example, for the value of the support reaction used in order to design a spread foundation. The maximum soil pressure corresponds to the maximum of support reaction. So, we should seek for the position of the vehicle that gives the maximum value of the support reaction. It can be also the minimum value. It is the case, for example, when we are studying the same spread foundation to resist in sliding, the stability against sliding. So the reaction has a favorable effect on stability on stability against sliding, so we should seek for the minimum value of the support reaction. The influence lines is the mean that allow engineer to meet the objective of designing all elements of a structure, especially a bridge, in the most unfavorable situation. In this course you will learn theoretical aspects about influence function and influence lines. You will know how to use and interpret a line influence, how to use an influence line in order to calculate the effect of real loads applied to a structure, especially when you have a structure that is subjected to moving loads. And then you will practice using practical exercise these theoretical aspects. Finally, it should be noted that the assimilation of influence function and influence lines is very essential for any civil engineer. I hope that this course provides you with the basics relating to this important subject, and that it will be useful for you in your professional career. And I wish you a good learning.